stand and breathe. Oh, everyone watched the wedding, couldn't get enough. At least for one moment we were right there up above, looking down on all the royal fuss. One day we go back upon the bus, driving through the neighborhoods and factories and a rush, and knowing all our lives will never be, 'cause they look so beautiful to me. All our lives will never be, they look so beautiful to me.